today. A little exciting stuff we got going on. We are delivering 120,000 gallons to a super yacht at one of the marinas we do. So it's a round-the-clock operation. We dropped, it's a little late in the day right now. I'm bringing the fourth load over, but they got me jumping between trucks, and I'm running them, and they're dumping them while they're there. So I'm going to film as much as I can. We got 20,000 delivered yesterday. 50 is going to get delivered today, and then another 50 tomorrow. So I'll probably end up filming more tomorrow, but I'll try and take some pictures or a video of the yacht. But it's pretty big. Apparently it is the DreamWorks Studios, either CEO or the owner, so like the animation studios. So it's pretty cool. It's massive. You can see little tiny people on top of it. But we got one truck. They've been pumping since 7 o'clock this morning, and we're just hooking up truck after truck to keep up with their demand. We're going through my favorite place, driving through the tight streets of the city. So that's always a good time. And it's one of the more busier streets in Portland. But we're bringing over 9,500 gallons of dyed diesel at a time, because that's all we can carry. And so far so good. I mean, there haven't really been any hiccups. It's just real tight down there. All right, it's day 2 of bringing these 120,000 gallons to this 450-foot yacht. I didn't record anything except for that little intro thing. I don't even know if I'm going to use that. So, it was a little hectic yesterday. We did 6 loads. There was, I think, 2 previously, and then we're doing another 4, maybe 5 today, depending on if they want a little extra, or to top off the marina's tank after they're all done fueling. That way they can do another boat or 2, or however many they can do. We're heading to the terminal right now. We already got one truck there. They left at 6 this morning, I think. And it's 7 o'clock right now. So they should be there. I was averaging, I think it was about an hour and 10-minute turnaround yesterday. Because I would grab the empty truck when it was all ready to go. And then I'd head to the terminal. And then I'd come back, park it, wait for the next one to be empty, and I was just running yesterday. I was taking about an hour, but it would take about an hour and a half for the tank to go down after we filled it, and then it's another 45 minutes to an hour for the trailer to drain. So I was staying on top of it pretty good. Let me over. Thank you. So I'll try and film as much as I can throughout the day today. There's not going to be much million, and I guess this guy put another $2 billion into it.
Allegedly.
They like revamped and remodeled the whole thing, front to back, top to bottom.
Allegedly.
He's worth like $80 billion.
Wrong.
It'd be nice for all of us, you know, guys that are bringing the fuel onto their boat, if we could take a quick little tour. I doubt that would happen. They've got the whole area gated off down there, so you can't get real close to it. It's also been pretty crazy down there. There's been a lot of truck activity. It's kind of a two-way road, but it's narrow, and there's not room for two semis to pass each other, but they had a whole nother semi come in. There's an odor out from Florida, and we had to move out of his way. He was bringing a bunch of food and stuff for the boat, I guess, like a bunch of other stuff. So there's been truckload after truckload coming in here. Coming down these crazy roads in Portland, I'm glad I don't have to do this all the time. You see all these like besties, Old Dominion, and all the food runners, the beverage guys that park right in the middle of the road in the turning lane and unloading their trucks crate by crate. They earn more money than I do, but or at least the food runners, like Performance Food Service, Gordon, and all those guys. And I don't know what the beverage guys make, but no thanks. I'll stick with what I'm doing. Then you got the port right here. That's always crazy. There's usually guys parked all along this road right here waiting to get in, but they were later in the day yesterday. It was kind of crazy. They were all along next to these trees. But the fun part about coming through here is, at least with the T800, you know, I don't have the breathers on the side. It's got the shorter hood, so I can see a lot more. Especially because when these guys are parked in the middle of the road, I'm coming through here, it's at 30, but I'm doing like 25 and just putting, because people will walk out from in front to pedestrians, not even looking. So you really got to be aware when you're coming through places like this, because everybody just assumes they can just walk out and, you know, you can stop on a dime. And I'm still coming through here fully loaded, and there's 1,700 crosswalks every 2 feet, and people still choose to just walk out from cars and everything. So you really got to be aware. There's actually just a fatality down the road from our shop, pedestrian versus dump truck. I don't exactly know what happened, whether somebody walked out, driver wasn't paying attention, or what. I don't want to speak on it because I don't know the details, but unfortunately the individual did not make it off of the pavement, so it was very sad. But that's why you always got to be careful. You always got to have your eyes open. You always got to be scanning. Like right now, passing the Cisco truck, somebody could come out from in front. You know, if you're coming through here at 30, even though it's the speed limit, yeah, but you got to be real careful, because it only takes one oopsie. You know, even if it's the pedestrian's fault, that kind of stuff can still haunt you. I'll tell you what, though, it's a nice change of pace. Hanging out by the marina in the sun all day. Some pretty cake work. Just show up, let the truck drain, let the tank drain, let the truck drain, jump in the truck, go back to the terminal. So, I'm not complaining. And you get all these people just pulling in the intersection and blocking, because everybody's walking across every 2 seconds, and they come in hordes like this. Like after this group of people, even if it's a green light, another horde of people that size will just start walking out, and then you get a straggler. Yesterday I got caught at every single one of these lights and some. And you can't really, it's difficult because, you know, I have to stop for them, but at the same time, then I'm blocking the intersection, then I get stuck in the intersection, and people just keep walking. Then cars pull in front of you, don't know where they're going. You going? Come on. like that. Start to go, somebody else. Just like I said, stragglers everywhere. Stalled her out. That's what happens when you try and start in fourth gear, fully loaded. I've done that far too many times. When you get distracted, somebody jumps in front of you, you're not looking, try and start up again, truck dies. And this light always takes forever.
Fast as fuck, boy.
Watch your trailer. You gotta watch for people opening their doors because they're not looking. I almost took a woman's door off yesterday because she just threw it open. Luckily I was putzing through. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this week's video. I hope there was enough footage to make a reasonably length video. If not, I apologize. There was a lot of standing around and waiting for the tanks to drain, so there wasn't really anything. I wasn't doing anything with any of the hoses or anything like that. I was just bringing the trucks around. So hopefully it was slightly interesting. If you're new here, feel free to subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you're alerted once I post more videos. I'm always looking for ideas of things to do in the future for videos. Feel free to let me know down in the comments. But with that, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next one.